and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, we are back with another wig install, and thank you so much to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. If you guys would like to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep watching because this install was super easy. As stated on Gorgius website, this wig is named Put On and Go Natural Black Body Wave True Scalp Lace Premium Fiber Banged Wig. This wig is in the length 22 inches and the color is natural black. So this wig is not human hair. This wig is 100% synthetic, but with Gorgius, their synthetic wigs have really nice shine and nice texture to them. So a lot of their synthetic wigs don't feel like synthetic wigs, and they're actually really easy to comb through. Also, you guys can see on this wig as well, I am going to use heat on my bangs because this wig can take heat up to a certain amount of temperature, but just make sure that your hot tools is not too hot because you will mess up the hair. So I really didn't have to do too much to this wig. I literally just took it out of the box and threw it on my head, but I realized that the bangs was a little, lopsided and they looked a little crooked. So I am going to take my flat iron and just help my bangs a little bit, and I also cut them a little bit shorter as well. Now for the rest of the hair, I really didn't do too much to it. I really just left it how it was.
You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You trying to cover up what you lack. That's just why. If I love aside, I can see. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just waiting. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to risk it all now. Yeah. Oh, now. Oh, yeah. Oh, now. Yeah. Oh, now. Yeah. First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. Can't come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was hitting, oh, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to, like, you don't have to talk to me. Like, you don't have to try and teach me. Like, you ain't have to learn.
So this is the finished look of the wig, y'all. It was super easy to install, and it's actually super cute if you would like to change up your style from time to time. So now we're going to get into some other hairstyles you guys can do as well with this wig.
You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You trying to cover up what you lack. That's just why. If I love aside, I can see. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just waiting. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me.